Kani gadega pati CCTV, bat pidang pek yaki kubor baman kasni.
Ki padba jang ki South League Snong ki bakentup ya ka Hingaria Huroi Lahalen bat Lejri ki badan hapo put sam jang ki East Gentle Hills District bat ki badan Markham bat kari Bangladesh ne kasngi ka khat kandai ter ujilio kila dawa na ka sorkar jilla bakan penstet ban chnano ka surok Borghat Sonapur ka bajarong rupho kilometer uba kenjai mon amse ubolong way na kinoilam jang ki padba bat ki wahe Snong jang ki South League Snong ha ka jinga kran bagila pathai kubor hadien ka jinga kendo yo Konrad ke sangma bolong menteri rang ba ka jilla ure thu mat ekran bad menteri rang ba kadai bai halor ka surok baki pat ba chukini ki South League Snong ki badan khaput ba kari Bangladesh ki don kampalat e khnang ban pensuk ya ka ket ka ba bat kalik kawan jiki pat ba nalor ka surok kani ka kunhon kala pensngau ya ka jingdawa ho menteri rang ba ya ka jingbom biang ka kot ka khya ka umbam umdi puli puthi bat kiwi ki jing e baki pat ba chukini ki Snong khaput ka East Gentle Hills District ki kendo mausiang
baling iwa jauh minister kolong namar kadon ka sorok ba kerting ka Rumbai Borkhat Jalalpur Road but sakawing bakhot ka Borkhat Jalalpur Road kani dik Snong ba yai kini dik sorok ba yai lang ba kini Snong South Snong kalon ko ba san peu don repok lum tak jinjrong ka problem lo ni sorok kolong kani ka sorok chili kam yimla ba nong ga dik sorok ka dik sorok ka badan dak kiti ai khendeu ba ka ha kini por hapslap kumni por maliur ne mla raman yai tang kaliru ya biya dak kejar ko ma South san ngata taman poi tang ha national highway ka ba ong NH6 manta NH6 ki manchwai ko NH44 so gidan South 5 major demands ang nila on your chief minister. First and primary is the road. The road building on the road because this road is linked livelihood, right to life, fundamental rights, human rights, but can link but connect surok. Because why? If you don't get road, lam go surok. Kumno pinjalam Bruce Hospital. Kumno pinjalam yo yakimar ki kahi pateng jog Bruce jogi bambi nak tik jaka. Kumno gindi sesnong ciyo. Mar mata balai dak jing sting plak ning surok. Kidor dengan baik kali ban kit yang ni masuk siu kolong very expensive, very excessive. Te kimla arban ko berkataka kador berkataka mata jungki. So we have asked the chief minister the main and only issues is we have only stressed the road, major and mostly the road. Kumbang road is linked to everything, and we have told him that there are two main projects pending with the government of Meghalaya, which the government has failed to take up in the past years. So this project called the Rumbai Jalalpur Road, which amounts to about 97 crore, has been lying pending with NEC since the year 2011. And the first phase has been sanctioned by the NEC, and that has been constructed till Lat Waprang in the border areas. However, the remaining areas of about 60 kilometers has been left unattended by the government for all these years. So even the NEC has been writing to the government of Meghalaya asking them to get the environment clearance as soon as possible. So, as per record we have obtained from the office, at least 8 times the government has failed to get in the environment clearance just because of the fact that they did not apply it in the correct and appropriate format. And that has been informed to us even by the Northeastern Council and the Environment Impact Agency itself. So, the Chief Minister has been kind enough. He has spoken in a very good manner with us. He has assured us that this road will be taken on priority, and he said that he'll be discussing this matter with the NEC itself, which will have meeting in the next few weeks. And he has been also kind enough to just call the Secretary Billy and NEC today itself in front of us, and through that I hope we have many hopes that this road will be taken up as soon as possible, and this project will be taken up so that the entire population in the border areas will not have to suffer. Because as of now, we live in the survival, and with the help of Betelnut, however, we cannot sell it in the correct and normal price as we can sell it in the area. So basically, these issues has been highlighted by the press almost every time since we have been taken up in the press club, and this has been highlighted many times. However, no concrete measures have been taken on the government side to correct all this problem. So hence we have to visit the head of the government, the Chief Minister himself, and we have urged and requested him to take all possible measures to solve all the problem being faced by the village, right from road, mobile connectivity, healthcare, and water supply and electricity. So these are all major demands. However, as he suggested that, we have told him that our primary and most concern is only the road. And if you recall, we even approached the National Human Rights Commission last year, which the NHRC has given direction to the government to take action on this matter. However, this has become only on paper and nothing concrete been taken on ground. So hence, this problem persists, and this is only our main and our entire delegation from all the village heads from all these villages. We come with a purpose, hoping that this government will not disappoint us like the previous government.